What is going on, everybody? It is I, the conservative coin collector. Beard's a little out of control today, but that's okay. I've been going through, not my coin binder, but that box of chocolates on top of it. That holds quite a bit, and most of it's not interesting. It is to me, but it wouldn't be interesting on camera. But what I did decide to do was take a couple of things out of it and show you what they are. And these are the most interesting things I was able to pull out of it. And what are these things? Just gonna have to find out. And I'm gonna show you. First things first, we have a $20 birthday note. It is a Series 2017, and the birthday note is 1955-0302. This birthday note actually holds a little special place in my heart because my late grandfather's birthday was 3/5/55. This is 3/2/55, so it was just a couple of days shy. Which that's pretty cool for a birthday note to be just a couple of days shy of a birthday of a family member. And another cool thing I have is these Reich coins. And I'm just going to let you decide. I think you'll know the part of history these coins were from. And it is an ugly part of history. But you need to learn it, or else we're doomed to repeat it. And it's cool to have these Reich coins, or what's called Nazi money. And Reich coins came out before Hitler came into power. Reich coins were from 1871 to 1945, and they were part of Nazi Germany as well. I'm sure Hitler redesigned everything coin-related. And it actually reminds me of my favorite Indiana Jones movie, Indiana Jones and the Last Crusade. And there's always a scene that sticks with me. They went back to Berlin to basically the belly of the beast, so to speak, to grab Henry's book because it was taken by the Nazis. And they grab his book, and it gets saved from being burned in that giant book burning that they had. And all of a sudden, when they're trying to leave, a crowd forms. And before he knows it, Indiana Jones is staring at Hitler straight in the face, like eye to eye with Adolf Hitler, which he was basically looking the devil in the eyes. Hitler had the mustache. All he needed was the horns and the pitchfork, and boom, you have the devil. Talk about a moment to be in for Indiana Jones. And that's the scene that always stuck with me, which I would never want to look somebody that evil eye to eye. Never in a million years. But yes, aside from my rant, these Reich coins are from Germany, an ugly part of history, and ironically, I've always wanted some Nazi money because it's part of history. Before I go on another rant, I'm going to put these away and show you my 1890 Morgan dollar. I showed you this Morgan dollar before. It's been on my nightstand for the last God knows how long. I took it out of that box there because I just love the look of it. And same with my 1900 Barber dollar, or half dollar. It came out of that box, and I just love the look of it, so I just decided to keep it out and stare at it before I go to bed. These two things are beautiful. But I have one beautiful thing I have to show you at the very end that's in that thing there. I have two more things to kind of gloss over. I just love the buffalo nickel design. This is a buffalo nickel trials of fine silver. I just found it cool. That's nothing to write home about. It's about $23.07 for 1 troy ounce of silver right now. And this Granada $4 coin. I haven't done much research on it. And this could actually be a future video. I'm going to keep this out. This will be a future video. And it's quite a big coin. It's about the size of a Nike dollar. But I have one coin I gotta show you. And it's this. The oldest coin I have in my collection. It's from the International Numismatic Bureau, and it's a Constantine the Great era. It's a Roman Empire coin from circa 330 AD. Just when you thought 1669 was the oldest coin I had, and it isn't my binder, and it'll always will be the oldest coin in my binder, unless I find something older, which things can happen. This is the oldest coin I have in my collection. 330 AD. Only 330 years after Christ came to this earth, this coin was minted. We are now 2024 years since Christ came to this earth. Just to give an idea how old this coin is. This coin is 1,694 years old. This coin was minted over 1,400 years, 1,446 years before America was even founded. Some history about 330 AD, and this coin is that Constantine, he was Constantine the Great, and he was the first Christian ruler of the Roman Empire. He also founded Constantinople. And speaking of Christianity and Catholicism, the Pope at the time was Pope St. Sylvester I. He began his journey at 31st of January 314, and he was Pope until 31st of December 335. It's crazy to think that we still have popes to this day, and popes go all the way back to it was St. Peter from AD 1. Crazy. I'm the Conservative Coin Collector. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share, and hit the bell icon. Until next time, I'm signing off, and well, so long, everybody.